People may count us out due to our past, due to what we have done, due to our failures, but God is there waiting to restore us. Oh, Lord, help us. God is waiting to redeem us by his blood. I pray that we don't count Jesus out. The world counted Jesus out, but he rose. And in Christ Jesus, we have that same hope where we can rise again. Oh, no matter what you've done, Jesus can turn you around and you can rise again. I don't know what you've done. I don't know how bad it is. I don't know who you crossed and betrayed and messed up and all that. But Jesus, and in Christ Jesus, there is forgiveness. God bless you guys. And we can rise again. Oh God, that's good news. That in Christ Jesus, no matter what my enemies say, no matter what your enemies say, we can rise again. Ah, Lord, help us. Have mercy on us.